Hello friends, in this lecture we will see fixed guiding curve method option, and this time I'm going to use this option for uh, any damage area which is in die and mold. Sometime we repair it, so at that time we will use, suppose here the area is damaged, so how to repair and how to create the tool path within this to guide. So first, I'm going to create this operation, and my operation is fixed guiding curve, and here repair code, and my tool is this, okay, 12mm tool, and okay, and here my option is this morphing. I'm using this option, and my first guide is this add, and second guide is this make the direction same, and here it is helical along guide, and cut order is from guide 1 outer, from outer to inside, and here I want to finish pass, and this is step over is constant, and change it to millimeter and 1 mm, and rest option are the same, and click here my geometry is this face, okay, and now generate it. So we use this kind of operation for repairing. If there is any repair in die and mode, we use this option, and this is under the specific area, so we can use this. Let's see the preview. Okay, okay, and this in the same way we can repair this portion as well. So click create operation, same operation I'm using, and this time I'm using this 3mm tool, okay, and first I'm selecting geometry, and I'm using a crossing window, okay, and my method is constant offset, so change it to constant offset, both side, my cutting side is both side, and this curve is this, okay, and cut pattern is zigzag, and from right to left along guide exact millimeter, zero point 0.2 is exact step over, and now calculate. Okay, see, and generate and verify it. Okay, so this is the fixed axis guiding curve, and how to use for repairing work. I have told you, so let's see in next lecture.